Stop leaving money on the table, because in the next 90 seconds, you'll discover how to unlock hidden real estate gold mines distressed properties using the power of Propstream. First, log into your Propstream account. We're going to start broad and then narrow down our search in the search bar. Enter the location where you want to invest. Now, click on the filter button. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the ownership info section. Under owner type, select individual. This eliminates corporate-owned properties, which are often harder to acquire. Next, let's focus on preforeclosures in the MLS status section. Select Preforeclosure. This identifies properties where the owner is behind on mortgage payments and facing potential foreclosure. Now, let's add another layer of distress. Scroll down to the liens section and select Tax Delinquency. This indicates the owner is also behind on property taxes. For potentially vacant properties, go to the General section and choose Vacancy. Select Yes to see properties marked as vacant. This can signify neglect and opportunity. Propstream will now display a map with pins showing all the properties that meet your criteria. Zoom in and click on each pin to view property details. Review the property details, including owner contact information, mortgage information, and tax history. This is crucial for your due diligence. Don't forget to check the comparable properties nearby. This will give you an idea of the market value and potential profit margin. Now it's time to take action. Reach out to the owners, research the properties, and negotiate deals. That's it. You've now learned how to use Propstream to find distressed properties. Good luck and happy investing.